I am at a house that's over 100 years old, and I would like to show you how we have done framing and other things for the inspection. We have went through all inspections: plumbing, electrical, HVAC, fire stopping, and framing without any issues. So this is a good example. For example, like fire stopping, what do we want to make sure? We use this type of fire stopping material for any holes like these penetrations that go between the floors, between the first floor and the second floor. What we also want to make sure is that we fire stop everything here. So if we have holes bigger than let's say 1 inch, we need to use plywood, we need to use blocking. If we are putting plumbing through the walls, and whenever we don't have more than 5/8 of a stud left, we need to put those brackets in. And then this way the integrity of the structure is going to be pretty much untouched. So we are making the wall strong again. As you see, the carpenter that was working here did an amazing job. Why do I say this? Is because we have studs. He didn't just like butcher this in. He made sure that everything looks very clean, very level. You can see that the subfloor here, what we did before we actually nailed the subfloor, we have nailed the there's one by underneath that was put in maybe 100 years ago plus. And then we glued everything, and then we installed the subfloor over it, and then we shoot it all with the ring shank nails. Ring shank nails are nails with they're like threaded nails. This way the thread prevents them from coming out of the floor, and it keeps the subfloor intact. So these are some of the things that you have to remember when you are working on really old homes, and whenever you are going to be working on a house like this, also you want to make sure that everything is clean, that everything is vacuumed, and then that you are prepared for the inspection. You want to be prepared more by like making sure that everything is clean, taking your time to get everything done. This way, when the inspector comes in, when he sees like how the job looks, this is going to tell him first impression is very important. It's going to tell him that based on what he sees when he walks in, literally looking through the door when he's not even inside yet, he will already know that he's dealing with a good contractor. Thank you so much.